In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can send money with MoneyGram. Now to get started, you can download the app from the Play Store or the App Store, and you'll be required to register for your account using your email address and a password. Now once you're in the app, just select send. Select the country which you're sending to. In my case, it's Jamaica. Specify the amount of money that you want to send. It shows how much the recipient will receive. Then select your payment method. So from the drop down, when you select your payment method, you can choose a debit card, credit card, and cash at location. So I'll be using a debit card as this option is free and available online. Now for the receive method, you can do a cash pickup, a direct deposit to a bank account, or cash pickup at a partner location. Now a lot of people still go with cash pickup, so let's select the cash pickup option. Select continue. Now here you need to add the receiver's information. You can also add the information from your contact. So let's select add manually. Provide the person's phone number. This is optional. Provide their legal first name, their last name, and then select continue. Here you're going to add the card number that you want to use to make the payment, and then select continue. Review the fraud prevention information and then select continue. So here all you need to do is review the transaction and then select submit. However, I do not want to send any money at this point in time. I just wanted to share with you how you could achieve this. So that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.